Howdy, my name is Johnny Carmack. I run Vintage Show Pony on TikTok and Instagram, and today, baby, we are doing a house tour. So let's start with the Tutti Frutti room because it is hot, it's a sleigh, and I love it so much. Polly the Panther is in the house. She runs this household. Polly's very happy where she is in this hot room. Now, everyone asks about the fruit stools. They are from Home Goods and Home Sense. Home Goods, I shout you out so much. Hit me up, girly. My little disco palm tree is a custom piece by me. I took an old ass crusty and dusty palm tree lamp and I painted her pink and I got disco balls from Five Below. Call me. Also get a lot of questions about this flooring, and the biggest question I get is, why did you do that? And I did it because it adds to the theme. We love a good theme, we love a vision, we love a daydream. I want to live in a false reality at all times, and that is my house. The pink dresser is such a hottie. She's off of Facebook Marketplace. She's from IKEA and I got it for $30. It's such a slay. The apple tree is an old store display. It used to hold Jack Daniels, I believe it was. And I got it off College Hunks Haul and Junk, honey. And I got it for $30 and it's one of my favorite pieces of furniture. I'm so glad that people on TikTok and Instagram have connected with this room so much. It's giving Animal Crossing, and who doesn't love a good game of Animal Crossing? I never played. Pink Ultra 80s room is what I'm known most for online. This got me on the Kelly show, and this is my favorite room in the house. Every piece in here is specifically curated for this space, and I'm absolutely in love with the final result. It took me the longest to perfect because all these pieces are so hard to find and so unique. And I went to estate sale after estate sale. I went to thrift stores. I went to Facebook. I went everywhere, honey. There was no stone left unturned to perfect this space. Something fun I like to do is also mixing pastels with neons. I think the juxtaposition between the two is stunning. It's okay to have a lot of things in a small space. This room is very, very small, but it is cozy, it is comfy. Yes, it is filled with things that are loved and adored, but it doesn't look overpowering. And again, there's a theme. This is 80s to the core. This scalloped piece, I knew I had to have as soon as I saw it. It's checkered, it's scalloped, and it's pink. It's completely 80s and completely made for me. I really hope you love this room as much as I do. Again, this room has quite literally changed my life. When I was designing the entryway to the house, I knew I wanted it to lean 80s, but also like bubblegum pink art pop vibes, and I wanted people coming into the house to be like, damn, where the hell am I? Am I in a fever dream? Because honey, you are. When you're at Show Pony, you're in a fever dream. This hallway right here snatched your wig, honey, and stole your lunch money, okay? Because it is a sleigh. This is probably the wildest moment in the house. The faux fur is so fun. It gets really warm, but I'm in love with it. It is so bright. It is so neon. The room was designed around Miss Piggy, Miss Piglet, Miss Glamour Queen, Miss Glamour Hog herself. Okay, everything is monochromatic in here. I love that the ceiling is the same color as the walls. I just wanted it to be like a cocoon of pink, ultra femme, ultra glam. Even the air conditioning in this room is cute. It's by Windmill Air. I love working with them. I love their company and their product is amazing. I highly recommend. It's linked on my Instagram. The piano was painted pink because why the hell not, baby? This bathroom, I slapped some paint on that floor, honey. I really wanted it to look like an Argyle sweater, and I wanted it to give Lizzie McGuire early 2000s vibes. This was a really low-cost DIY project that I did because I did not want to rip out those old, ugly tiles, so I just put some lipstick on a pig. Now, this hallway I am not done with yet. It's not perfect, and it needs to be. It's a little too beige for me. I love the etagere, this postmodern piece I searched for about a year, and until I found it, I could not sleep at night. Check out that chandelier, guys. It is so homosexual. The living room. This is the newest room that we have done here at Show Pony, honey. I'm obsessed with it. This couch, after we bought it, we found out it's worth like a shit ton of money. So needless to say, I will never get rid of it unless I'm really, really broke. And yeah, so this room is space age. It's my interpretation of space age. It's ultra color pop, giving Barbie's dream pad, honey boo boo, bake a cake in the oven, plop a cherry on top. It makes me feel sassy when I'm in this room. The orange little chair is from IKEA. It's 1999 vintage IKEA, and I adore it. All of the paint colors I will link below as well. The rugs are from Amazon. We pieced rugs together because we did not want to carpet the entire room because the style always changes. Finally, this kitchen was completely DIY'd for like under a couple $100 because we did not have the money to rip out those spooky and ooky old ugly cabinets, so we cabinet dyed them or stained them, and it was a super fun project. I learned a lot during that process, and we went for two-tone peach and apricot. We mixed a little blue on here. We slapped some blue wallpaper to the ceiling and the light to tie it all in. These diner booths are a slay. We got them at Habitat for Humanity. There's a lot going on in this space. The big chill is like my child. That is also another thing I will never get rid of. It will have to blow up before I be rid of it. And that is to be an interior designer and to help people live brighter, bolder, happier lives through interior design. And I'm so honored to have you watching my house tour. This was super fun. I love you so much. I hope you are thriving wherever you are. Leave me a comment, leave me a like. Let's do all the cute things for me, okay? I love you.